So today we're continuing on with this truck that has to have the new frame on it, and just a few more parts have come off, and we have this forklift here that we're able to use and helps us out quite a bit getting things taken apart, getting ready to get the new frame underneath it. So they take off a lot of the drivetrain, obviously all of it, not a lot, and so it looks like they've started back here with getting the exhaust taken apart. The drivetrain axles are going to be coming out shortly. And obviously we already took off the box, so that's been off. But working on these hoists and doing these frame swaps is pretty nice. Fortunately we got a second frame, or I mean hoist here, and a third one on the other side of the building. But just taking things apart here. Andy, what are you working on next for this bad boy here?
I'm taking the exhaust off. Taking the exhaust completely out of it. I just pulled the fuel tank out.
What's next after that?
We're going to pull it outward and pull the motor off.
Okay, all right.
Because I got to get that car out the hoist first.
So you can swap them out?
No, just because they got parts waiting for. I got the parts getting.
Oh, okay. So that car, you got to work on that. But
yeah, we'll try to get the hoist open. And
okay.
Put the frames extra, we might not be able to get to the hoist.
I see. I see. Boy, it'd be nice. You can never have enough hoist, can you?
Yeah.
So, anyway, and then all this here suspension. This is all going to be brand new. You got all new parts on this suspension, right?
Yes, this side's on basically right here.
Oh, okay, good. So after at this point, what is your next step then? You're going to slide it forward?
Slide it forward out, use the forklift to pull the motor train, transfer the whole off.
Yeah, yeah.
Make it easier.
Okay. Well, it sure is nice having that forklift here in. Yeah.
We got to use it to pull it backwards, just don't roll right here. So.
Yeah, yeah, because you can't roll it, so
yeah.
The suspension is messed up. Okay, well, I'm just checking in with you and
yep.
Seeing where you're at.
Once we get it done, we're going to put back a new frame. And I got to take the spun nut inside.
Yeah.
So I can open doors and make holes in the floor so I can get to it.
Oh, wow.
Because the nuts are spitting inside the frame.
Oh, so you got to put new nuts up there.
Yeah, or just weld the old ones in place.
Yeah. So if they don't continue to spin.
Or you can tighten the bolt back up.
I see. Boy, there's a lot to do in these, aren't there?
It's older trucks, so they spin once in a while.
Yeah. How long do you think it'll take you to get all this done? Just a rough estimate.
Sometimes it takes a week, sometimes it takes 3 or 4 days. Depends.
Yeah.
If you got
how things go.
Depends if you got to work on another car first.
Yeah. If you're working on 2 or 3 cars at the same time. So, all right. Well, Andy, I'm going to let you get back at it, and I'm going to check in with you probably a little bit later. Thank you.